Manipur government told Delhi High Court that it will not arrange transportation facility to take students from hill districts to UPSC civil services exam centers which are outside the state. Manipur government said that vehicles transporting a bunch of students could be a potential target and it would be a safer option for the students to arrange for transport and accommodation on their own, and the government will provide reimbursements. The submissions were made in response to a public interest litigation PIL petition filed by an organization, Zomi Students Federation, seeking directions to the government to provide facilities and security arrangements for candidates to travel to UPSC exam centers outside the state. A division bench of Acting Chief Justice Manmohan and Justice Manmit Pritam Singh Arora accepted the arguments made by the state. The court noted that the state government will give financial assistance to the students of the hill districts of Manipur who had earlier opted for Imphal as their exam center but now want to go outside the state for exams. The Union Public Service Commission UPSC told the court on Thursday that candidates from the hill districts of Manipur who opted for Imphal as examination centers will be given the option to choose Aizawl, Kohima, Dispur, Jorhat, Kolkata and Delhi as their exam centers, and the UPSC portal will be reopened from April 8th to April 19th for this purpose. UPSC also assured that the court will share details like application number, mobile number and email addresses of the candidates from the hill districts of the state with the Manipur government. The court was then shown a letter by Manipur Chief Secretary stating that the state will provide monetary assistance to the candidates.